All right. Um, Today's video is going to talk about Friday's trades, today's trades, and the overall market. Didn't do a video Friday due to me being at work. I closed on at work on Friday. I was busy all day, but today, market's doing fantastic, it's doing well, and I have been missing a lot of trades, just straight up missing them. Um, yeah. Anyways, let's talk about the trades that I did take though. So I took YINN here at 39 on Friday. And I got stopped out today. And then the reason why I got stopped out was because, well, I took tiny size. I only got like 50 shares. Um, I was risking today's low of in the pre-market low. So the local low was here at 38.55, and I was like, well, I'll take a tiny loss. I just let it ride. So, but I didn't really like my entry at 39. It wasn't really well. I liked it, but I was hoping it was gonna continue like bounce off. And it didn't. So I'll wait for it to tomorrow to either tighten up or break out again, and then I catch it at a better risk reward. I didn't know where to put my risk honestly. So and then I rebought it again today at up here in the 40s. I saw it breaking out over the the close. I mean the open yesterday. The red to green or green to red. No, red to green. I don't know. I forgot what it's called. It depends. But so I saw it breaking out over this, and that's when I started buying it. Also, tiny size, only like 50 shares again. And then I was risking 38.50 again, and then I got stopped out again. But tiny small loss. But today, one that I was looking at was Caper. So today was red in the morning, and a lot of these biotechs, like this reminded me of Till. This reminded me of Till, like during this setup right here, kind of similar. And then it just kind of failed. But this reminded me of Till. I was thinking, if this can do the same thing. So I was short in the morning. I saw it reject red to green. Shorted it at actually. Let me just show you a picture of this thing because I managed it horribly, just absolutely horribly. Let me just get a screenshot for you guys real quick. I mean, it might be one of the worst managed trades because it was just a bunch of misclicks. Like I completely misclicked it. Like putting my stop in, I accidentally recovered my shares, then I had to reshort it in again to get my position, then I reshort it again, and then I bought it back. I was just messing up. It wasn't even like from emotion or nothing. It was just simply misclicks and fat fingers. Oops. So this is what it. Oops. What the? I don't want this. I don't want this. Cool. So can I zoom in? Jeez. Oh my goodness. Anyway, so let's show you what I was looking at. So I saw it open up right at red to green, and it kind of rejected. So I wanted to get in. I got in here, like I think I located 1,000 shares. And I only got in here like 200 shares, and then it's hard to see this because it's kind of like a big mess right there to the right of it. So I got in short, right? Now this is on the 1 minute, just to show you how freaking horrible it was, right? So I got in, and then I got in here again. I shorted here again. I think I tripled my size. Like I think I was short 600 shares. And then I was gonna put a stop order or a cover up here, red to green, and I accidentally bought instead of instead of doing a stop. So I bought it here, boom, and then it went straight down. I was like, mother, I gotta short it again. So I shorted it again here. And then once again, I put in a stop order, but I put in a stop order at $17. I meant to put 17.70, and as I was clicking 17 on the number pad, and I was gonna go down to the dot, I accidentally press enter. Then it got me in again, and I was like, this is gonna be freaking horrible. And then I was like, okay, now I'm gonna get in again, but minimal size. Because I was in here again, 600, covered again, and then I was like, what am I doing? What am I doing? So that's what I did. I got in short again, 200 shares. I was like, dude, this thing is already down. I mean, can it go any lower? I'm just gonna go small size, just risking minimal. Like I think I lost more. I don't know, but it was horrible. Anyways, as it got up to red or green, I just covered it. Or actually, I got stopped out, and then I saw it reject a few times, and I just shorted it again. And this time I went 600 shares again. Covered some here, and when this didn't break low of the day and it held, I was thinking to myself, I should cover it all. I should cover it all, and because this is the same, it's showing strength, right? Not really strength, but it's showing that it bounced off here. I saw it here, and I was like, well, I think I need to cover. Just cover it all. Just get rid of it. This doesn't look like it's a short today. But I didn't listen, and where was I? I think I want to go work out. Or I want to go to the restroom. I don't know what the hell I was doing. But it just completely stopped me out. And then when I saw it here around 1820 ish, I was like, well, I should go long. And I didn't. And it costed me a lot. Yeah, so I wanted to go here like 1820 ish. Once it broke out to red green, I was like, wow, I should probably go long here. But also the setup wasn't all the way there. I mean, the setup wasn't really there at all for a kind of a breakout. Also, the ADR is 19, so it's gonna have these big wicks and big momentum days and stuff like that. So this is probably gonna, not probably, it probably is, but I really wanted to tighten up like by the end of the week and then break out again, or and get short. Either or is fine. But I wanted this to tighten up and pick a direction. So that was my caper trade. Those are my two main trades today. I'm lying. I actually bought more of DJT. So I bought DJT here at 18. My thesis on this so far is that I think the market is um, accounting for a Trump win, and I think people are starting to buy this up. So I bought my first order right here, like 1850, 1840 ish, and then I bought some more today at around 26, right at the open, near the open at 26. Um, I think I like quintupled my size here. And then I sold some into the highs today. So I just to get some off. I think this needs a break. It's gone up straight up in like 2 weeks, 150% almost. So I think this can make a pretty big move. So it's basically this move here, percentage wise, is the same as this one. So this could be the top, but I don't think so. I think this is gonna be going all the way to the election day, and it's gonna probably collapse after election day. Is what I'm assuming. That's my thesis on this. So, but if this thing can, get up to 40s, 50s, 60s, that'll be fantastic. It'll be awesome. But yeah, so I really want this to relax a little bit, to consolidate, so that I can get in more size and get a better risk to reward. That's pretty much what I really wanted. But I don't know if the stock has time for that. I think when's the election next month? Couple weeks. Yeah. So those were my main three trades today, and then I'm talking about my overall positions that I entered in on Friday. I think we can look on TraderView for that one. Let me just bring this up. Let's see. Here we go. So trades. Let's go to trades. All right. So as you can see, this is the ones I think I sold today. It's already accounted for. And then YINN, this one's closed. This one's done. So that one's not open. SMR is open, and I bought it. At is here at kind of late, but I bought it at 12:33 ish. It's at 14 today, so it's got a pretty good move. I really like the way it looked. Yeah, I was breaking out, great volume, even some great volume today, and yeah. So bought this one around a little late, but got in. So that's all that matters. And then what else? What else did I buy? Let's check. How about that? Still in this one, added more to my position. Yen, yeah, that was SMR, and then CORZ. CORZ, I think, had a pullback day today. Yeah, but this one, I bought it pretty. So I saw it breaking out, and I was like, well, I wanted to buy it on if it pulls back to VWAP, which I think what happened yesterday, or not yesterday, Friday. Because I really like the setup too. Very similar to this one. I missed this move here. Kind of choppy, not really a great breakout, but you could have bought it this day. You know, caught a 25% move. So the breakout on Friday was pretty great, and I thought I missed it, and then it was pulling back, and I was like, well, let me get in. So I bought in a little early. Small size. You saw the share size. It was only 150 shares because the risk reward wasn't really there. Um, yeah, because I'm dealing with some like account problems and stuff, getting just over PDT, and I don't want to take too big losses and get down under PDT again. So yeah, so it's done well. Doing okay. It's a relaxed day today, even though the market made all time highs today as well. But yeah, so that's it for those shares. I wonder. Let me check my positions if I have anything else. CORZ, GT, SMR. Nope, that's pretty much it. So those are the shares I had today. The positions I have today. Now the overall market is doing absolutely fantastic. And let's talk about the shares or the stocks that I did miss. Kawa, no. Which ones did I miss? Oklo didn't even have this on my radar today. Clover, I missed this one last week, but it's setting up pretty nicely. Um, it does kind of feel extended. I mean, it's gone up 500% this year since May, so it's only been like 4 months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months. Sorry, my math is. And then I missed TVTX. Missed that one. AST, no, SMR, but no UPST. This one just pissed me off. Yeah, this one really got me. I missed it on Friday. Now this one I would have really sized into. I really like the setup. I mean the stock is looking good. It's just overall I really wanted to size up into this one and I just completely missed it. Just absolutely yeah, it was horrible. Just completely missed it. Um, yeah, kind of embarrassing. I was looking at that one for a week or two. So this is just what's on my watch list for now. CDNA, no. I kind of missed this one as well. As you can see, I had had a trend line here, and I missed that one. UEC, missed that one Friday. If this continues, that'll be kind of nice. But it's kind of a funky trader. Not really too good on the trend lines, but we'll see if it changes now. UNFI, watching this one. I think I'm gonna move my trend line up here. See if it can break out tomorrow. Don't know what the news is on this one. I have to look still. App just keeps on crushing it. I mean, this one is absolutely insane. WGS. Missed this one too, though, but that was a long time ago. EXK, waiting for this one to kind of break out. Kind of different sector, but caught CORZ. Hopefully this can hold, break out, or gap up tomorrow. Sorry. LEU. This one actually doesn't do too bad. It doesn't look too bad. If we can get a couple more tight days, this is I think Chinese. It's gone with the Chinese sector. So CMP it missed a breakout, but it just completely failed. I think I called this one too. I said that there's not enough volume on this one. It's gonna fail. But yeah, Wolf has finally failed. Took about a week, but still did. TWG. That one's just on my watch. This one can. So TWG and I think. Isn't there another food distribution I have in here? I swear I had one. Is that the only? Oh, this is a restaurant. Oh, it's Kawa. Is it UNFI? Yeah. So these two are in the same sector. If they're thinking the 10-day can catch up and consolidate a little bit, I think this can get a nice breakout, especially it being a recent IPO. but this is also Chinese. So let's look at the 1 month gainer chart. So this one was like a buyout thing. Read the thing about it. Drug. Don't know what this is. Looks like a scam. BBAI, UPSC. That one just still pisses me off. Caper. This one. I was gonna flip, but I talked about it earlier. Weight Watchers. Oh, I don't know what this is on that one. This one I was looking at too, to buy it on the bounce or bounce at the 20-day, but didn't pull the trigger. Oh well. I think CEG is also same thing. Yeah, same thing with CEG, but CEG is slower. I think this has to do with the real estate stock. Sped up pretty quickly. Look at this thing. It's gone up straight since July, around 200%. Jesus. Sezzle. Missed this one Friday. I don't think it was really on my watch list. I wasn't really paying attention to this one. Don't know what it's about, but that's all. This one I think is running with net. Yeah, net. That one was a great breakout I missed on Thursday, I think. MSTR finally pulled back today. Had a FOMO on this one. I had it in. Didn't buy it here because there wasn't really a great breakout for it, but on the hourly on this day here, it was absolutely a great breakout. Missed it though. It's gone up 36% since, but APLT, okay. This one, EWTX, missed that one too. RKLB, wasn't paying attention. TBTX, missed this one. EVGO, missed this one on the EP day. This thing could tighten up and get tighter. That would be a good breakout. Continuation breakout from the EP. APLT, this one looks funky. Don't really like it. I'll go lace. Kind of watching this one either for continuation or a short, either or, whatever comes first, or just keep going sideways. Don't know what this one was. Don't know. Oh, lunar. This one got me on this day here. Next day I got stopped out. And then E was in this one a while back, but it's really a choppy trader. It doesn't trade like this. That'd be nice if it did. CRDO, missed that one. Said that one earlier. UEC. I don't really like airline stocks, unless they're like a momentum growth stock. But airlines aren't really growth stocks anymore. Maybe back in the what early. I was reading about it the other day. I forgot what. Was it early 1900s? I think. No, not early 1900s. Yeah, like 1930s. I'm also looking for this one. Hopefully this one can tighten up as well. This one looks very powerful. A lot of times I've seen patterns like this where it goes straight up, pulls back to the 10-day moving average, and then just breaks out again. That's very possible, especially with these Chinese stimulation. Yeah, they're stimulating their economy. That can easily happen. Same thing with LEU. A lot of these Chinese stocks are kind of pulling down to the moving averages, and they look very strong, very nice. Sim, I missed that one too. Yeah, that one got me. Zeekr, not as great setup. It was a good setup 2 days ago, but some of these Chinese ones that I have here are in pretty good setups. I think if you look at Baba, yeah, this one here, the 2 times leverage one, I'm sure has the same setup. Yeah, I mean, some of these are looking very nice. YINN a little wide, especially with today. I wish it would have just had a tight day, held green, but shaking out all the weak guys like me. But yeah, some of these are really nice setting up. Tiger kind of failing. Yeah, so that's about it for me today. I'll probably do another video tomorrow and for the rest of the week. But yeah, I mean, I'm taking a lot smaller risk in terms of dollars because I was up. I think I said it last video. I was up 10% of my account within a month lost it all, and I'm losing more now. So gotta take it slow, low and slow. All right, see you guys.